Alright guys, Georgia Jim. Got a Mul-T-Lock 7x7 here. Got this courtesy of Sep Clues. You can see it works. I have picked it once, just a few minutes ago. Figured we'd do it on video just to say we did it. See, one is loose, two. There we go, nice click there. All right, got a false set. That was 7. 6. 5. Come on. 4. Maybe manually kind of rotate a little bit so I can get off under that pin. There's 1. There we go. Got it picked. I guess we'll get it. Why not? Let's see if I can get these clips off. I probably should have done that beforehand. Are these gonna spin? Probably. Yeah, I think that just spun around on me. It might be coming off. There we go. Oh, good. It's like a little circlet. See if the back one's like that too. I don't think it is. Let's do... Yeah, we'll do it like that. That ain't so bad. All right, put that back in. We'll shim it. Just to be on the safe side. All right. And I just push that out. And there's a ball bearing. Figure out where that goes in a minute. Make sure we can see what I'm doing. There we go. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so we had that little ball bearing, probably went there. We got some drill protection around the plug. Let's see, tweezers. Let me turn that around. Just want to get that shim out. All right. Got a nice deep spool on one. standard on 2, which was a super low cut. 3 is a spool. Everything should be a spool. No, there was a standard on, was that 4? Shows what I know. Spool on 5. 6, and watch me be a liar and think 7 is a, nope, it is a spool. Okay. And I'm not going to pull the springs. There's nothing going on in the plug other than holding, the Bible other than holding springs, and nothing in the cylinder. All right, let's do a close-up on them pins. And like I said, we had 1 torpedo key pin on 2. Everything else was brass standard pins, and you see 3, 4, 5 out of 7 pins are spools, and that's the Mul-T-Lock 7x7, also known as a Garrison, depending on where you're at. So, all right, thanks for watching.